this video, we're going to show you how you can analyze a survey using what we've learned about pivot tables, a good practical example of some of the concepts we've been studying. And also learn a little bit more about pivot charts. Okay, so you probably have in your job or your personal life had to analyze a survey. So I'm a professor, so I'll talk about a teaching survey. I've spelled fair on incorrectly here. Instructor was for, but let's not worry about that. So what we've got is student IDs. That's not really important. We've got the question, was the teacher outstanding on a 1 through 7 scale, a 7 meaning they were outstanding, a 1 meaning they weren't. And so what I'd like to do is summarize these responses here, about 400 responses. Okay, so what I should do is probably in the pivot table put in the row field the questions and then try and figure out maybe the average score on each question, or better yet, the percentage breakdown of the responses on each question. And then I would like to summarize that in a chart. So let's see how that would work. We put our cursor inside the data. We do insert pivot table. And we'll do a new worksheet, that's fine. Okay, so the question would go here. And the response will go in the column. We could get a 4 through 7. And you'll see something happens a little tricky here. We want the response to be the value field. Okay, and you can see it says sum of response. What I want to do is just count how many times we got a 4, 5, 6, or 7. So I can double click here. Okay, well that's not working. Okay, so again, it should work, I think, when I click on that. But I can go right click value field settings, my old standby, and I can do a count. So in other words, the easy to follow for the result of 4, the 36 really means 9 people gave us a 4. But if I click there, then I get a count. Okay, well that doesn't quite give me the summary on all these questions. I would like to know the percentage breakdown. So again, I can use value field settings. Right click, value field settings, show as percentage of row, show values as, or I could have done show values as instead of value field settings, but let's do percentage of row. Okay, so now I know in each question what percentage of my scores were 4 through 7. Nobody gave me a 1 through 3, thankfully. So now I could do a pivot chart. I could go and analyze pivot chart. Okay, clustered column, that's fine. Okay, so I got a nice chart here. Okay, now this is really a cluttered chart, I believe. It shows me how I did on what percentage of the time I got a 4 through 7 each thing. But the nice thing is I can filter inside here. So in other words, I could have filtered inside the table, but this is a little bit easier. So I could just have my boss pick on a survey any set of questions to show in the chart. So now it shows those. And okay, I could select all. And again, I could go back and just pick a set of questions. And in under 5 minutes, I've created a nice summary of a survey, in this case, a teaching survey, which is really quite cool. Okay, and our next video will show you how to do pivot tables on multiple range worksheets in the same workbook, or the same procedure can be used on different worksheets in different workbooks, because you'll note that every time we did a pivot table so far, the data was in one place, okay, and it doesn't have to be that way. So we'll see that in the next video.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.